Hello, my dear learners. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our second science lesson. And what are we looking at today? Still under section, we are looking at energy. And the unit is conversion and conservation of energy. Specific objective, we are going to look at how to calculate potential energy of a body. Remember, I asked you to conduct some research into kinetic and potential energy, the calculations. I hope you have done that. All right. By way of revision, we learned in our earlier lesson forms of energy, including kinetic energy and potential energy. And we said kinetic energy is a form of energy a body possesses by virtue of its motion. A car moving, bird flying, object falling are examples of activities that illustrate kinetic energy. That we define potential energy as a form of energy a body possesses by virtue of its relative position to the ground. So book lying on a table, mango fruit hanging on its tree are some few examples that illustrate potential energy. But before we move on, I would like to point out to you that we know energy is measured in joules. So are all the forms of energy, including kinetic and potential energy. So, the mathematical expression for calculating potential energy will mean we are going to look at algebraic formula for calculating potential energy. Algebraic formula for calculating potential energy. So you must note that the energy a body possesses by virtue of its position depends on three factors. So what is the first one? Mass of the body. Mass of the body. It is measured in kilograms. If it is in grams, change to kilograms using 1,000 grams. The second, height of the body above the ground. Height of the body above the ground. It is measured in meters. If the height is in centimeters, change to meters. Using 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. The third one, acceleration due to gravity, measured in meters per second or meter per square second. Acceleration due to gravity refers to increasing speed towards the center of the earth by force of gravity or gravitational force. Increasing speed towards the center of the earth by force of gravity or gravitational force. Again, note that we have three factors potential energy of a body depends on: mass of the body, height of the body, and acceleration due to gravity. So mathematically, potential energy is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity times height. In short, potential energy is equal to mgh. Remember not to quote this formula without interpreting what m, g, and h mean. I hope you are clear. Now let us look at work example. So calculating potential energy of an object. A book of mass 20 grams lies on the table of height 2 meters. Calculate the potential energy of the body. Take acceleration due to gravity, that's G, to be 9.8 meters per second square. So from here, you write the data or the data. Mass of book equals 20 grams. Remember, the grams will be changed to kilograms by dividing 20 by 1000. And so the result is 0.020 kilograms or 0.02 kilograms. Height of book is 2 meters. Acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per square second. Now the calculation. Quote the formula. Potential energy is equal to mass times gravity times height. So by way of substitution, we have 0.020 kilograms times 2 meters times 9.8 meters per square second. Now let's move on to the next one. Now it continues as 20 over 1000 kilograms. That is changing the decimal 0.020 kilograms into fraction, times 2 meters times 98 out of 10. That was 9.8 earlier. So by multiplication of numerators and denominators, we have 3920 out of 10,000, all measured in joules. So by simplification, we have 0.3920 joules, or simply 0.392 joules. Now I would like you to try this and check your answer, which is 49 joules. A clock hanging on a wall 5 meters from the floor weighs 1000 grams. So what are you doing? We are calculating its potential energy. I wish you best of luck. All right. I hope you are clear with whatever we have done so far. Now, by way of summary, my dear learners, we'll look today at how to calculate potential energy of a body. Before then, we noted that potential energy depends on 3 factors. Can you name them? Mass of the body, height of the body, and acceleration due to gravity. Remember that all these 3 factors are measured in kilograms, meters, and meter per second square, respectively. All right, for advanced learning, since we did potential energy today, let me give you the task of reading on kinetic energy in your textbook. Solve some work examples under it before we meet next time. All right, congratulations for your time with me. I hope you have learned something useful today. You are reminded that you can download the PDF summary of the video so that you can go through at leisure times. You can also do research work to deepen your understanding. Make sure you do the assignment and upload the answers to the page for me to access. Alright, till we meet again, it is bye from me.